Good morning. As I say each affirmation, repeat them after me in your mind or out loud. Let's begin. Today, I am so grateful to be alive. Today, I am scanning my body from my toes to my head, and I am so grateful for this body of mine. Today, this body supports me. This body allows me to show up as the most powerful version of myself in the world. I am supported. I am seen. I am safe. I am loved. I am love. The universe supports me, and I am surrounded by true abundance. Abundance flows easily to me. I easily create wealth. I am at peace. I am joyful. I am so excited at all of the possibility and opportunity that awaits me today. When I allow myself to play big, I know I am empowering others to do the same. When I shine my light, they light up. It is my right and my light and my responsibility to show up in this world exactly as I am. I am worthy of being seen. I am worthy of being safe. I am worthy of being supported. I am worthy of all that I desire. I am creative. I am a constant source of endless, flowing creativity. My success is inevitable. I have a never-ending supply of positive, profitable ideas. Each day is a blessing, and I know I will never see this day again. I make the most of today. I make the most of every day I am given. I am so grateful for my financial freedom, never-ending abundance, loving and healthy relationships, peace of mind, and limitless growth. I am kind to myself, so I can operate at a high frequency and attract everything I want, because everything I desire is already done. "100% possible, 100% of the time. It is done." Listen to this whenever you have a chance to soothe your mind and rewire your mind for true, authentic success, because you deserve it. You do. This will help you heal. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like, and make sure you hit subscribe for new videos every single week. And be sure to share this with somebody who could use a better start to their day. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Speak soon. And don't forget to take care of yourself today, so you can take care of everything else. See you soon. 100% possible. 100% of the time. It is